Hello guys, I'm not going to say too much on this video, okay, because I know that some of you have seen what I am about to show you. Okay, one of our called me and says to me, Bright, I want to take part in this promotional offer that eEstate is doing for this month, whereby you deposit 1,000 minimum, purchase a fractional real estate 1,000 minimum or more, you will get equivalent of that bonus credited to your account within 12 hours. This guy called me up and said, listen, Bright, I want to do $10,000. Right? So sit back and watch just 2 minutes video where you will see when I was showing him how to purchase his property live. Okay, so now if you click sign contract and then sign the contract, and then click sign contract, and then scroll down and then click pay with balance. There you go. Your tokenized real estate has been purchased, $10,018. Well done. So you are going to get $10,018 in Venetian Villa as a bonus. Okay. So now if you scroll down on this page, okay, keep going, you will see your property that you have purchased. Pastor, that's it there. Can you see it there? Somera Villa, $10,018. Can you see it there?
Yeah, I see Somera Villa, yeah.
There you go.
10,000.
There you go. So if you scroll down now,
wow.
So well done, congratulations. So now in the next 12 hours, you are going to see on top of the Somera Villa, you are going to see Venetian Villa, which is which is your bonus for the same amount. Okay. There you go, guys. You've seen him purchasing the property, and I want to show you the equivalent bonus that he got as a result of purchasing this $10,000 worth of property because of the promo that they are doing. So very quickly, I am going to show you this screenshot. This one is the one he purchased for $10,080. You saw the video already, and this screenshot is the second property that he later purchased. A purchase wasn't recorded, the Desert Villa wasn't recorded, but the first one, the Somera Villa, was recorded. You saw the video already. Okay, and now eEstate now gave him a bonus of 11,000 because the first 10,000 that he purchased plus the 1,000 again, that makes it 11,000. So eEstate now credited his account with the free 11,000 bonus on Venetian Villa. And this is great, guys. This is great. So this promo is ending 22nd of August, guys. If you don't hurry up, you are going to miss it. It's just a few days from now. It will be 22nd of August. So if you don't take part now, you are going to miss out. Right? Now, remember what they are telling us. eEstate, the platform, is saying that you can deposit a minimum of 1,000 and use that 1,000 to purchase your property. That will now give you the 100% matching bonus within 12 hours. Now, some people are asking me, Bright, is it okay if we purchase a multiple of 1,000, worth of fractional real estate, and we will get multiple bonus of 1,000? And I said, yes, many people have done it within this promo period. Many people have purchased more than 2 or 3 times, and for each time they purchase, eEstate will match it up with 100% bonus. 100% of the money they've used to purchase that property, eEstate will give them back. And that is why right here eEstate says no maximum limit, which means you can purchase and purchase and purchase and purchase each single time. As long as it is $1,000, you will get back $1,000, guys. That is how it works, right? And this will be credited within 12 hours. So take it as buy one, get one free. Simple as that. Thank you, guys. I look forward to seeing you. For those of you that are looking to join eEstate, the link to do so is below this video description. Please join eEstate right now if you wish to do so, and then deposit your 1,000 minimum or more, just like this guy, and then purchase your property so that you will get the free bonus that they are giving this month. Okay, for those that are already in eEstate and you have not, taking the advantage of purchasing your fractional real estate, then this is the best time for you to do so, because when you do, they are going to give you back the equivalent in Venetian Villa. All right, so the link to join is below this video description. For new members that are looking to join, for those that have joined already, you are more than welcome to go ahead and purchase this property. I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. Thank you and God bless.